Today we're going to be making some easy small batch guacamole. In order to do this, we're going to have 4 small avocados. I'm going to use 1/4 of a small onion, 1 lime, 1 jalapeno, some sea salt, and about 1/2 of a bunch of cilantro. So we're going to start this recipe by mincing our onion as fine as possible. And you can see how paper thin these are, just tiny. So that's going in. Next, we're gonna mince our jalapeno. And I seed mine because it's a little too hot with the seeds for the kids. But you can leave those in. But I'm gonna seed and vein this jalapeno. Next, we're gonna put our lime in. I'm gonna roll this to release some of the juices. Let's cut this in half. And I like to use a juice reamer so that we can get all of this juice out. If you're gonna have to store this for a later time, you're gonna want to have another lime on hand, because what you're gonna do is when you finish mashing all of this up and getting it all nice and creamy, you're going to squeeze some lime juice over the top, and then you're gonna take a piece of plastic wrap and you're gonna press that and make sure it's actually touching the guacamole, because this is gonna turn brown in just a little bit. So you either wanna eat this right away, or you wanna squeeze your lime over the top and then put a piece of cling wrap directly on the top and make sure that it's touching all of the surfaces. Otherwise it's gonna turn brown. So we're gonna get that all mixed up. Next, we're gonna take 1/2 of a bunch of cilantro. We're just gonna give that a fairly fine chop. This is gonna go in. And then last, we're gonna do our avocados. We're just gonna take these, and I just squeeze these in here. Makes kind of a mess, but it's super easy to do it this way. Now we're gonna take our fork and we're just gonna finish mixing this and mashing it. And then last, we're gonna salt this. I don't put any pepper in mine. I'm just gonna use salt. We're gonna do some fresh cracked sea salt. And this is to taste. Good. Give this one last stir, and this is ready to go. Nice and creamy and lots of lime. Have a good day.